All right, I got cut off at 5 minutes, so I'm going to quickly run through this problem again. So we have principal of 1,800 that earns this interest rate annual. So this is our simple interest equation. All right, so the first thing we graph is the growth equation for this investment. And then we want to know when it reaches 3,500. So that's when we graph this horizontal line to see what's going on. So in the last, I had a certain window and I ended up changing it. So I needed to change this from 0 to 30. And I did 1,500 to 4,000. And I have a graph that does something like this. So when I find the intersection, I had it, I will find it again. It's x equals 27.4, y equals 3,500. So when we, x is 27.4 years, which is what we have up here, so our answer is right, our investment will be worth 3,500. So there's a common process we use for all these story problems. Now I just want to spend a second, basically. When you go through your quiz, you will be given a sheet of equations. Your basic growth and decay equations tying in A, H, and K. Reference points, whether you're using growth with the base E, or decay. Remember, we have slightly different reference points for decay. Over here we have simple exponential growth, simple exponential decay. These we used for story problems. And then these last sets were things we used in 13.4, which had to do with, calculating values of investments, whether the interest was compounded once, more than once, or continuously. So you'll be given this on the quiz. And finally, here are your homework problems. I did put these in PowerPoint, on PowerSchool, but stop the video, write these down. These are what you're going to use. You're going to do for your homework tonight. It's due at the start of your next class. I shouldn't have to tell you when that is. You look in your planner, all right? And our next class will be Zoom online calls. You need to be there. It's mandatory, or else you're not going to be able to do the quiz come the end of the week. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.